The drone market is always evolving. New products are coming out all the time, and it can be hard to keep track of what's new. To help you make an informed decision, we've rounded up our current favorite drones on the market today. These products all have something unique to offer, whether it's an extra long flight time or a folding design or easy storage. And they're sure to make your next aerial adventure truly immersive, so without further ado, let's get started.
Hello there, we're the Top Zone. We're a bunch of researcher and tester. We test, analyze, research new product, and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, features, and user feedback. We also provide upcoming and innovative products ideas so the viewer may know about the products. Our goal is to create the proper shopping guide so the viewer can make their proper decision.
Number 5. Evo Nano Plus. The Evo Nano Plus is a compact drone that packs a powerful punch. It's got one of the best cameras in its class, 1/2 CMOS sensor and 4 Kelvin video resolution. Plus it's under the 250 grams weight limit for registration, so you don't need to register your drone with the FAA. There are plenty of other great things about this little guy. It has 3-way obstacle avoidance, dual GPS and GLONASS for precise positioning, and altitude hold modes for smooth flying indoors or out. This thing is an absolute beast. Number 4. DJI Mini 2. The DJI Mini 2 is a great drone for the price. It's small, easy to fly, and offers a wide range of features. The DJI Mini 2 is an ideal beginner drone if you're looking for something that packs a punch but won't break the bank. It's also registration-free in several countries around the world, and this includes both USA and China. This makes it super easy to fly when traveling abroad as well as at home. You can shoot 4 Kelvin video with this drone using its camera, but if you want to shoot raw photos or videos without any post-processing applied, then this little guy will do the job just fine. Number 3. DJI Mavic 2 Zoom. The Mavic 2 Zoom is a powerful drone with an excellent camera and a reliable airframe that's easy to fly and captures great footage. It features DJI's excellent intelligent flight modes, including point of interest, follow me, tripod mode, and terrain follow. The drone can be controlled through the DJI Go app or by using the controller. It also has obstacle avoidance sensors on all sides of the aircraft, which makes it safe to fly indoors or outdoors in any weather conditions. It has a 1-inch Sensor Pro version that can shoot in 4K at 30 FPS or 12 megapixel photos, as well as HDR photo capture capabilities, with the remote controller at around 27 minutes with the smartphone app. It comes with a 3-axis gimbal that can be used to stabilize both stills and video footage. The DJI Mavic Pro 2 Zoom is an excellent drone for the money and offers a lot of value for your money. I highly recommend it as a starter drill, or even if you're looking for a high-performance camera drone that won't break the bank. Number 2. DJI Air 2S. The Air 2S is the perfect drone for a filmmaker or photography enthusiast looking to make their first big purchase. It records video in 5.4K resolution, making it ideal for professional-looking shots. The camera also has HDR mode, which will let you capture more detail and color range in your photos by taking multiple shots over a period of time and merging them together to create richer colors and contrast levels. The drone also has a number of automated flight modes that make it easier to capture smooth, professional-looking videos. You can set it to follow your movements or track an object in front of you with the tap of a button. Overall, it's the best choice for the filmmakers. Number 1. DJI Mini 3 Pro. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is a great drone for beginners and experts alike, with a flight time of up to 34 minutes and several advanced features that you can use to get started. The Mini 3 Pro also has collision sensors built into the nose and tail of its body, so you don't have to worry about damaging it while flying indoors or outdoors. It also features an AI system designed specifically for aerial photography that will keep track of what's happening around your drone while it hovers at different altitudes. This allows you to focus on getting great shots instead of worrying about where your device is headed next. So what do you think? Did we miss anything? Which drone would you choose to buy?
Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.